Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 268, AI-generated web page with Copilot. In our last tip, we looked at using AI to generate text on a web page. But what about generating an entire web page using AI? We can do this using Copilot in the Power Pages Design Studio. If you don't already see the Copilot pane on the right-hand side of the Design Studio, you can open it by clicking on the icon in the top right corner. Here, you can choose from some starter prompts or create your own. We're going to click on Page Design and then create a page. Again, you can select from the provided options or enter your own text. Let's choose the option about contacting customer support. This fills in the text in the prompt area, so click the Send button to kick things off. After a few moments, a new page will be shown. It will usually contain a combination of sections, columns, text, and images. You can review this page before deciding to keep it. If you don't like it, you can delete it. If you like it, click the Keep It button. Then you can make any changes you'd like. Don't forget that, as with any AI-generated content, it is your responsibility to review the content before making it public. If you have an existing page where you want to leverage the ability of Copilot to build out entire sections of a page, you can do that too. Instead of asking for a new page, ask Copilot to create you a section. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 268 on AI-generated web page with Copilot useful.